What's up guys, I'm Ankon and I was just thinking about to do a video for a long since of time. Finally I got the time because the exam is over, and in this video I will show you how to make your Windows 10 works most faster. So without further ado, let's get started. You guys know that I'm not a professional YouTuber and I don't have any authorized channel, and I'm doing this video for my own passion. The first step to make your computer run most faster is go to run and then type preface, hit enter and allow the administration the permissions, hit OK, and then you will find many temporary files. Just select every file and then delete this file. Okay, delete every file and make sure to skip some files that cannot be deleted from your system. And don't worry about it because it will only delete the temporary files from your computer. It will not do anything wrong with your computer. And again go to the run. Now type percentage temp percentage, hit enter, and as we have done this, select everything and delete from your computer. Just see how much space it will delete and clear by deleting those temporary files. Make sure to skip. Take a little minute. Wait a little minute. Okay. Now, once again, go to run and then type temp. This time only for temp. Go to temp and select every file and make sure to delete. Continue. Okay. Now you have done this thing that you have to do. What is actually do? It's actually delete every temporary files from your system. That is the main reason that your computer, Windows 10 computer, may falls down slow. Moving towards the next step, it is a very important step and it is the direct step that you have to do. Just right click on the start button and go to control panel. There you have to go to control panel and then go to uninstall program. There you observe all the programs that you don't need and you do not use those kind of programs. Just delete those kind of programs that you don't use. And right now I have such a programs that is usable, and I use those kind of programs daily, so I will not delete any of them. And you might see this kind of Microsoft visual retributions, and I think my recommendation is don't delete this kind of programs because it is very important to run a specific application or a game. So if you play game in your computer, so don't delete this kind of computer, and it also will not harm your computer, which is come from Microsoft Corporation. In the third step, go to search bar and search advanced system settings. View advanced system settings, and there is the dialog box that you will appear. And now under the advanced tab, go to performance settings and then choose for the best performance. Now to my recommendation, I will use let Windows choose what's best for my computer. But if you have a computer which is consisted the RAM lower than 4 GB of RAM, so you may use the best performance. If you use the best appearance, every animation from your computer like that, I am dragging the box around the screen, and if you select best performance, it will decrease the GPU, and as you can see the box is not moving, the outer borders are just moving, so it will decrease the animations and also the font quality. So I will select let Windows choose best for my computer because I have more than 4 GB of RAM, which is enough. And now go to advanced settings, and there make sure to adjust the performance for your programs. What it actually do, it actually give too much concentration to your program that you are running right now, not giving too much importance to the background services. Now use the virtual memory. What is actually do? Virtual memory is like a RAM, a random access memory, which takes memory from your hard drive. Now if your computer has a SSD, solid state drive, then it will really increase your computer performance. As you can see that I am using this type of 1396 MB of RAM, and this is really helpful when your RAM is not too much to handle those kind of program data. So just OK this and OK, and once you have changed this visual settings and the virtual memory, the computer will ask you for a restart and make the computer restart. The next step, it is pretty easy step. Just right click on the taskbar and go to task manager, and there just observe those kind of programs which is running at the most time with the most amount of memory. Now you can delete those kind of application which is running in your background, which is not manufactured by Microsoft Corporation, and you can delete this kind of programs also, those which is not used by you. You can delete this kind of programs, and right now I have no programs that is to be deleted. As you can see, all the programs that is running in the background are manufactured by Microsoft Corporation, so I will not delete any kind of a program, because if you delete programs that is manufactured by Microsoft Corporation, it may lower your computer performance and some lagging issues should be referred. And the last step to make your computer faster is go to run. Windows logo plus R is the shortcut of run, and then type msconfig. Here hit enter, and it will take you to the system configuration panel. Now go to boot and then go to advanced option. Here we will see the number of processors. I have Intel Core i3 4th generation, which is a dual core CPU with heavier threading enabled. So that means if you check this the maximum number of processor, that means it will use all the cores of the processor that is consisted in the CPU. So the CPU will run the highest throttle and use the maximum memory of your RAM. I have more than 4 GB of RAM, so you can use maximum memory, but I will not do this thing. And just use the number of processor and take this. I have 2 cores, so it will show only 2 cores. If you have an octa-core processor, it will show you the 8 cores. So enable all the 8 cores and hit OK, then hit apply and then OK. But if you have done this for the first time, the computer will ask you for the restart, so do this restart. That's it. These are some solid and major steps to make your computer more faster. And if you are Windows 10 user, so I feel that you will find this video useful to you. If you do find this video useful to you, so make sure to like this video, and if you don't like this video, make sure to thumbs down this video. So thank you so much for watching this video. Jai Hind, Bande Mataram.